wanted to do a review of today's math lesson. It seemed like a lot of you had quite a bit of trouble with this, so hopefully once you watch this it'll make a little more sense. So 3 ones and 2 tenths equals how many tenths? Some of you just said, oh, it says 2 tenths, I'm going to write 2 tenths. That's not what it's asking you. It wants you to convert 3 ones and 2 tenths into how many tenths. So we already know here that you're going to have 2 tenths. So you can kind of just like imagine it like if you were using your 10 blocks, but these are tenths. So we know we have 2, and we know we're going to have to add 3 ones. Well, how can we figure this out? Well, we know that for every 1, there are 10 tenths inside that 1. So imagine, here's my 1 block, and inside of it there are 10 tenths, okay? So for each one of these, if there's 3 ones, my whole is going to have 10 separate tenths in it. So there's 10 tenths here, 10 tenths here, 10 tenths here. Each one, so every time you have 1, so that is going to have 10 tenths. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So the correct answer is 32 tenths. That's how you have to think of it. The next one, it wants hundredths. Okay? So the tenths are really going to be where you have your wholes here. Every 1/10 is going to have 10 hundredths in it. So again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. This has 10. And the same here. Now, this isn't even asking for hundreds. So when I were to add this up, this would be 320. It's just going over 1 place value from what it's asking you. Again, 2.6 tenths. Some of you just put 6. Some of you added the 2 and the 6. That is not correct. You have to change your whole number. So that number to the left of your decimal, that's your whole number. So 2 is our whole number. So that means that for every 1 whole, so here we have 2, you're going to have 10 tenths for each whole. So there's 10, and there's 10. Okay? Then you're going to come over to your 6 tenths and add it up. So 10, 20, 6, 26 tenths. Okay? Hopefully this is making more sense now for you. Okay? Down here, again, if you were going to break this, if it makes more sense, go ahead and write it again and add the 0 so that you know you're in the hundreds place. Another quick way that you can do it is, if you're not really getting this, you can just kind of put your finger over that decimal point and it will give you the answer. So this is 610 hundredths. Okay, that's kind of like a quick cheat way to do it, but really what you should know is that there are 10 tenths in each whole number. Okay, it's just like what we did when we did place value stuff at the beginning of the year. So hopefully now that you saw this, it makes a little more sense. Okay, guys? Bye.